You work hard for your money, but it feels like the moment your paycheck hits, it vanishes into thin air. Rent, groceries, gas, it eats up everything, leaving you wondering if you'll ever get ahead. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, you don't need a complicated accounting degree, you just need a simple blueprint. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's the easiest way to regain control of your money. 50% for needs: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, and the car payment that gets you to work. If you can't survive without it, it goes here. 30% for wants. Just because you're budgeting doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. This is your guilt-free spending money for dining out, streaming services, hobbies, or unwinding after a long week. You earned it. Just keep it under 30%. 20% for savings and debt. This is your exit strategy from the grind. The 50-30-20 rule isn't about restricting you, it's about giving every dollar a job so you can finally stop stressing. Hit that subscribe button for more real-world finance tips, and let's build that wealth together.
Now let's put the rule to work. Start with your take-home pay, not your gross salary. If your paycheck is $2,000, $1,000 is the target for needs. That covers the roof over your head, power, water, groceries, insurance, and the fuel that gets you to work. If your needs are higher than 50%, don't panic. Look for practical wins. Compare insurance quotes, plan your meals, and cut the expenses that don't protect your home, your health, or your job. Next, 30% is for wants. This is not a punishment budget. You can still enjoy dinner with your family, a weekend activity, a hobby, or time working on your truck. The key is to spend that money on purpose. When the wants category is empty, wait until the next pay cycle. Finally, send 20% to your future. Build an emergency fund, pay down high-interest credit cards, and handle tool loans before they become a bigger problem. Even a small reserve changes the way you face an unexpected repair. Instead of reaching for another credit card, you use money you already set aside. The goal is not perfection. The goal is control. Track every dollar, check your categories once a week, and make one improvement each pay period. With time, the paycheck that used to disappear starts building a future. Keep grinding, stay consistent, and take control of your cash.
To take total control of your money and give every dollar a job, try YNAB. It's a powerful zero-based budgeting tool that helps you plan ahead. Click the link at the top of the description to get started.